When every millimeter counts and design matters, choose Linea, a designer recessed LED fixture in elegant graphite, emitting neutral light that's pleasant to the eye. What sets the Linea fixture apart? First of all, its dimensions, just 7 by 6 millimeters. It's one of the slimmest fixtures available on the furniture accessories market. Installation is exceptionally simple and versatile. Linea works just as well vertically as horizontally, under cabinets or shelves in a wardrobe or walk-in closet. Thanks to the plug-and-play system, you can connect it instantly, with no soldering required. Need a specific length? No problem. Free-cut technology lets you trim the fixture exactly where you want, and it still works flawlessly. Linea is available in 2 or 3 meter sections, and the set includes 2 end caps and a 2-meter cable with a mini connector. The specs speak for themselves. 24 volts DC, 8 watts of power per meter, a luminous flux of 760 lumens per meter, CRI above 90, and a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. High-quality light with low energy consumption. For more information about the Linea fixture, visit designlight.eu. If you want to stay up to date, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.